Alright guys, we have a 2010 Nissan Sentra. We're gonna replace the belt on this car. The belt is down here, but this belt makes a squeaking noise. So every morning when he starts up, it goes chick 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 chick. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna replace this belt. We're gonna lift the car up. This is all from the bottom, alright? Alright guys, so what we did was we took off this tire. What we're gonna do next is we're gonna remove this plastic cover right here. See these clips here? These are the clips you're gonna remove and this cover is gonna come out. And then you have access to the belt underneath. You can use the flathead to remove these. Let's see if we can just twist this up. Here's a screw. There you go. Alright, now we have a good view to this. Alright. What we're gonna do next is we're gonna remove this belt. Alright guys, we got the cover loose and we got the belt to be right in front of our face now. What we're gonna do is, it's very difficult to get that tensioner because they changed the design. A lot of us probably don't have tools, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna put pry bar right there. You see that? Alright, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this pry bar right onto the tensioner right there. Alright? And one of us is gonna go underneath and we're gonna take off the belt really quick. And then we'll do the same thing when we're gonna put it on, right? So I got this belt to belt in a second, loose. Alright guys, I got another skinnier pry bar now. I'm gonna try it one more time. Right there. That should let the belt come right off. Take it off the water pump. The water pump. Alright, the belt is out. I'm gonna release this. It's probably gonna go back all the way in, alright? So if you got the belt loose, we're gonna remove this belt. Can you take it off the compressor or whatever it's on? There you go. This is a Daco belt. They should just change it to chick 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 belt because it always squeaks. Alright guys, we got the new belt. This is the one we have. Conti Tech. This is the part number on it. And usually we put the two belts together just to see if they're the same length. So these are the same length. And we're gonna put this in. Alright guys, next we're gonna just route the belt. Make sure you get the routing correct. You're gonna put it up here and then go in the bottom. Do the same thing in the bottom. Alright, he's gonna put the belt on the alternator, compressor on the bottom. We have it on the alternator. And it's pretty much everywhere already. Fix up here a little bit. Alright guys, we got the belt guided everywhere, and slowly I'm gonna do the same thing with the tensioner. You have a little knob there, not too much, but see if you can get that on. Watch your fingers, alright you guys, if you guys doing this. Can I let go for a second?
Yeah.
But is it gonna hold?
Yeah.
Alright, now I can get a better angle. There you go. You're gonna beat that tool system today. It's off the pulley.
What pulley?
No, it's not off. It's fine. You see?
Someone there.
Alright, I'm gonna let go one more time. I'm gonna take a break. The tensioner is a little holding itself. And I'm gonna try one more time. There you go.
You got it now?
Yeah. Try putting it on now.
Something's wrong.
Alright. Good. Alright, it's on. Alright, looks good up here too. It's on. Alright, so this is what you guys are gonna do. Put pry bar right there. Alright, just be careful with your fingers. And that's it. You don't need that special tool that Nissan tried to make you buy. Alright guys, so here it is. That's the tensioner up there. You cannot get a tool onto that. And it's done. We got the belt on. Now we're gonna put that cover on. Alright, the cover that goes here. So you take that cover, make sure you put this back on, push in the clips. And you're done. And after that you can start the car and test it and just make sure the belt is good everywhere, and that's it, you're done. That's it, we're done. We're gonna put the tire on, and that's how you change a belt on a 2010 Nissan Sentra.